In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Notion. If you use both tools to manage projects and documentation, connecting them helps you keep tasks and knowledge in one smooth workflow without constant tab switching. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser and signing into the workspace where you want this connection available. It helps to confirm you have permission to install apps for your workspace. If you don't, you may need an admin to approve the integration. Inside ClickUp, look for the More menu. Depending on your layout, you'll typically see it as a three-dot icon in the sidebar or the top navigation. Open that menu and choose Apps. This takes you to ClickUp's directory where all available integrations live. In the Apps directory, search for Notion or scroll until you find it. Click Notion to open the integration details. Here, you can review what the connection does and which permissions it requests, so you understand exactly how your data will be used and shared. When you're ready, click Connect. ClickUp will launch a new window to Notion. If nothing appears, your browser may be blocking pop-ups. Allow pop-ups for ClickUp or temporarily disable your blocker. Then click Connect again. In the Notion window, sign into the correct account. Use your usual login method. Notion will then prompt you to confirm the workspace and select the specific pages or databases you want to share with ClickUp. Grant only the access you actually need. You can always adjust or revoke it later from Notion's settings under Connections. Review the permission summary carefully, then approve the connection. After approving, you'll be redirected back to ClickUp with the integration active. If you see a blank screen or the status doesn't update, refresh your ClickUp tab and return to the Apps section to verify that Notion now shows as connected. From here, your tools are linked. You can quickly reference Notion content alongside ClickUp tasks, keeping specs, notes, and checklists one click away. This reduces context switching and helps teams stay aligned on the most current information. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're logged into the intended Notion workspace to avoid granting access from a personal space. If you encounter a permissions message, contact a workspace admin to enable third-party apps. And if Connect doesn't respond, try a private window or clear your cache. That's all it takes. Your ClickUp and Notion connection is set up, secure, and ready to streamline your day. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more connected workflow.